Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the previous tutorial we did the this year blessings money testimony. We did it in the C shape, so maybe I'll have to look consider the G shape, folks. Yeah, so let's I'm going to keep the couple at the same place on the second fret, so that means you're going to play in A. So when we're playing the D, we're using F, C, A minor, then G. So we are going to keep that same chord progression. So in G, we're going to go C, G, E minor, C, G, E minor, E, D, C. Blessings, money, testimony, follow. So we are going to continue everything I've been wanting. Everything I've been wanting. I believe it's quite self-intuitive. Follow. Yeah. So thank you for watching this video too, and don't forget to leave in your comment section if you have any song that you want to request for a tutorial. I'll look into it, then I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment. Love you. See you next time.